Making money doesn't have to mean clocking in and out of a traditional job. Whether you're looking to escape the 9-to-5, need a side income, or just want more financial independence, there are surprising ways to earn money without a typical job. These options give you flexibility, freedom, and a chance to build income streams that align with your lifestyle. Let's explore 10 creative ways to make money that you might not have considered. Number 1. Online surveys and market research. One of the simplest ways to make money is by sharing your opinions through online surveys or market research. Companies pay for consumer feedback, and you can easily participate from your phone or laptop. Look for legitimate survey sites, such as Swagbucks or Survey Junkie, and join a few to maximize earnings. Though it won't make you rich, it's a flexible way to earn some extra cash in your downtime. Number 2. Rent out your space or belongings. If you have a spare room, a car, or even equipment like cameras or tools, consider renting them out. Platforms like Airbnb, Turo for cars, and Fat Llama for gear let you monetize things you already own. For instance, if you travel often, renting out your home or car while you're away can bring in significant income. It's a passive way to make money while someone else makes use of your assets. Number 3. Create a niche blog or YouTube channel. If you have a passion, skill, or unique perspective, starting a blog or YouTube channel can be a rewarding income stream. While it takes time and effort to build an audience, the income potential through ads, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing can grow steadily. Niche channels, whether they cover fitness, cooking, tech reviews, or even unusual hobbies, often do well because they target a specific audience. Consistent content and genuine passion are key to making this profitable. Number 4. Sell your expertise through online courses. Today's technology lets you share your knowledge and skills by creating and selling online courses. Platforms like Udemy, Teachable, and Skillshare make it simple to turn your expertise into an income stream. Whether you're good at graphic design, cooking, marketing, or even a language, there's an audience out there eager to learn. Creating a course requires upfront work, but can generate passive income as people enroll over time. Number 5. Participate in peer-to-peer lending. Peer-to-peer lending lets you earn interest by lending money to others. Using platforms like Lending Club or Prosper, you can provide small loans and earn a return. This involves some risk, so it's important to research and diversify your investments. But with careful choices, it can be a profitable way to grow your money without traditional employment. Number 6. Become a virtual assistant. With businesses shifting online, the demand for virtual assistants has skyrocketed. Virtual assistants handle tasks like email management, scheduling, social media, and customer support, all from the comfort of their home. If you're organized, good with communication, and have basic computer skills, this could be a perfect side hustle or even a full-time income stream. Number 7. Get paid to test websites and apps. Businesses are constantly working to improve their websites and apps, and they need real users to test them. Platforms like User Testing and Try My UI pay you to test apps and websites, providing feedback on their usability. Tests typically take 15-30 minutes, and you can earn up to $10 per test. It's a flexible, easy way to earn extra income and requires no special skills, just your honest opinion. Number 8. Write and self-publish an ebook. If you enjoy writing, consider creating and selling an ebook on platforms like Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing. Whether it's a novel, a how-to guide, or a collection of personal essays, ebooks can generate passive income once published. You'll need to market your book, but a well-written, helpful, or entertaining book can become a steady income source as people discover and purchase it. Number 9. Invest in dividend stocks. While traditional investments are common, many people overlook dividend stocks as a means of passive income. Dividend stocks pay you a portion of the company's profits regularly. By carefully researching and choosing companies with strong dividend histories, you can build a portfolio that generates income over time. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme, but it's a powerful way to grow wealth steadily and supplement your income. Number 10. Pet sitting and dog walking. If you love animals, pet sitting or dog walking can be both enjoyable and profitable. Platforms like Rover and Wag make it easy to connect with pet owners who need help. From simple dog walking jobs to pet sitting gigs while owners are on vacation, this work is flexible, and the demand is steady. Plus, it's a fun way to make money if you're an animal lover. These 10 methods show that you don't need a traditional job to make money. With creativity, effort, and a willingness to explore different options, you can build multiple income streams and work on your terms. The key is to find opportunities that fit your strengths, interests, and lifestyle. So, whether you're looking to supplement your income, gain financial freedom, or simply try something new, these surprising ways to make money offer a refreshing take on earning outside the 9-to-5 world.